Hey guys, it's Madison. What's good? What's up? It's me.
Louisiana shit.
Breaking out again. Today's video is gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. I'm doing my first look for Pride Month. I work at Sephora, and today at Sephora we're doing like Pride inspired makeup. So we're all doing like rainbow looks. So I thought I would do like a rainbow cut crease type thing. So we're gonna just like do that today. So I'm breaking out as always. We got one here and here and here and here and here, but you know, we're just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna do makeup. So we have the Smashbox primerizer. Just gonna do like a pump of that. My skin is so dry right now, so today we're doing like a rainbow cut crease, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so good, you know.
I'm actually really bad at cut creases, so we're just gonna try.
Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I'm just gonna kind of put that where I have all these crazy pores, you know. That's that. I actually like want to make this like a legit tutorial for people who don't know how to do cut creases, but also I suck at tutorials. I just can't like explain things well, so I'm gonna do my best. So as I mentioned in my last video, I ran out of eye primer, so we're using this one that I got at Walmart in like 4th grade. Just gonna prime my eyes. And y'all, I'm gonna be using like a mix of shadows in this video. Like there's not like one set palette, so today we are mainly reaching from my Sephora collection shadows because I have every color of the rainbow. So, you know, use whatever you want. The Morphe 35C, this would also be good. You know, we might reach into there too. So I'm gonna keep that option available. We're back with the tape. So what is that? For y'all who don't know how to use tape,
Yeah.
So this eye came out really bad, so we're gonna ignore that. So we're just gonna go to this eye, and then we're gonna start this other eye over. So we're starting with Sephora Collection. Sephora Collection number 286. And I'm just taking this, and I'm gonna put it right here on this inner corner. It's okay if it's like super messy, obviously, because it doesn't even matter. Okay, so next shadow is Morphe, this bright orange down here. We're gonna use that, and that is gonna go right next to the red, and we're gonna kind of, you know, overlap them. Okay, so next we're using the yellow from Morphe, and we're gonna put that right here, and then we're gonna use the green. We're gonna use the Sephora Collection Blue Lagoon. Like intensify it a little bit. And then Sephora Collection 318.
And just, you know, smoke it out.
This eye came out so much better because like this part is good, but then you get to like that and it
Looks so crusty.
Okay, so let's cut the crease. So I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear in NC15 and just like this random flat shader brush. And I'm just gonna start on the inner corner and just trace like my crease like this. Okay, so once we trace the lid and the crease, we're gonna kind of just clean up like the actual rainbow part. Oh my gosh, this side is so much better. Now that we have the concealer on, I'm just gonna pat it in with my finger just to blend it. We're going into my favorite palette, the Sweet Peach, and we're using White Peach. So we're just gonna set the concealer so it doesn't crease. So now for the hard part, we're taking some liquid liner. This is Kat Von D. Okay, this is kind of really bad. Well, I guess it's not horrible. Cool, it's better than the side, so I fixed the other side. I edited that part out because it literally was about 15 minutes, so I just cut that right out. So when you see me again, you're gonna see me with 2 good eyes. Y'all, I think we did it. Okay, I think,
At this point, it's
good enough. I forgot to put glitter on this eye. So NYX glitter. Oh, I hate this part because this stuff like burns my eye. I think I'm like allergic to it. I think it happens to a lot of people actually. So for foundation, we're going to do Milk, and I have to mix in a pump of my LA Girl white foundation because this honey is too dark for me and it's the lightest shade. I'm using my Milk foundation, the Blur liquid, and I know you should use a brush with this. We're just going to use my sponge because
I already wet it.
So I like to work in like sections with this foundation. Like usually I'll just dot it everywhere. But this one, it's kind of like Fenty where it almost dries a little quicker. I like to like section off the face, you know?
And this video is not getting posted. So if you want it to be posted, well, that's honestly like too bad for you because it's not getting posted. So
why did the side I think was worse come out better? We're just gonna, I promise guys, this look will actually look better when I put on lashes and when I do the lower lash line, but like right now I'm just looking creepy. Don't give me a thumbs down yet. Just wait until the end and then you can give me a thumbs down. But like at this point in life, like I think you should just wait. Come on guys, please cover today. The fact that I pull out Shape Tape just to cover up my pimples and like, it still doesn't cover them honestly just like has me kind of shook because like I'm pretty sure Shape Tape is the fullest coverage concealer ever. Okay, this must be empty. I bought this powder in, I would say like January, and it's, you cannot tell me like it's already empty.
that is a true scam because it's a $40 powder.
Alright, so now, you know, I'm gonna like do one of those cool transitions where like no brows. So I'm just gonna do that same color order. So I literally got so bored of watching me like blend under the eye, and so I just cut it all out, and next clip you're just gonna see me with like a rainbow under there. So that's what happened. So at this point it's just too late to go back, so okay, I mean I'm digging it. We're just gonna quickly pop on some Lily Miami lashes and I'll be right back. That was so bad. These are the Lily lashes in Miami, and then I just used my Milk Kush Mascara.
Hello, motherfucker.
I have the same blush and bronzer routine every day. So I do Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I do a little bit of this just on the cheekbones to kind of, you know, make me not so pasty. And then
Down the neck.
blush, Kevin Aquan Helena. This is my favorite blush, and I just apply some of this on the cheeks. And I usually, like, I used to not be a blush person until I discovered this child. Like, this is my everything. And then we always do an omrazy highlighter. Like, we always have that ABH glow. Like, there's just no question about it. Okay, next, lips. I'm thinking we should just do like a nude because this is so intense. I think we're just gonna do Tarte Culotta. That's it, guys. That is it. So alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry it was so all over the place. I'm gonna try to edit it. Thank you so much for all your support. I love all of you endlessly, to the moon and back and again and over and under in all the ways. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to like it. Happy Pride, everyone. And yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.
Louisiana shit.